Okay, so today I'm going to be making pickled banana peppers and pickled cucumbers. We're going to start by cutting up our banana peppers. Take the ends off, make sure you get all the seeds out. And then we're going to slice them pretty thin, 1/4 inch to 1/8 of an inch. And place them in the jar. I had a pretty good harvest, so I can fill up 2 small jars. Alright, next we want to make our brine. I'm using white vinegar, 2 cups. Put that in the saucepan. Next, I'm going to cut in half 3 garlic cloves. One tablespoon of kosher salt. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I think next time I'm going to use a half a teaspoon. That was a lot of pepper, and I didn't have peppercorns. Now we're going to place it on the stove, bring it to a rolling boil, and then pour it into our jars. I like to put a bowl underneath the jars just to catch any spills. Be sure and get those extra garlic pieces in there. Yum. Okay, we're going to place our lids. Now these are fridge pickles. These are not going to be water bath canned or any kind of pressure canned or anything. These are going right in the fridge. Next, we're going to do our cucumbers. I'm going to cut the ends off, cut the cucumber in half, and then slice into spears. Place those into your jars. A little bit of fresh dill from the garden. The cucumber I'm using is a bush type cucumber called Bushy. Very productive this season. Almost from the time it started flowering, it was pushing out the female flowers. So I highly recommend a Bushy. It's a wonderful cucumber and a great tasting pickle. Alright, time to make more of the brine. So 2 cups of the white vinegar. 3 large garlic cloves, cut in half. Tablespoon of kosher salt. And a teaspoon of black pepper. What I noticed using the loose black pepper, the ground pepper, instead of using peppercorns, is the brine does get a little cloudy once the jars cool in the fridge, so it does leave kind of a cloudy residue at the bottom, which may be off-putting to some people, but I think it doesn't bother me. So filling up the jars. These taste better if you let them sit in the fridge overnight. Let those flavors really get into those vegetables, and there you have it. That is my recipe for pickled banana peppers and pickled cucumbers. This brine works wonderfully with both. Thanks for watching, guys.